Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain how you can use your basic scientific calculator, the Casio FX570, to find the solution of a quadratic equation. So you will often see these kind of equations which are given to you, x square minus 16 or x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0, and some quadratic equations where the coefficients of x are also there. So in such situation, how you can solve the quadratic equation using your calculator? Perhaps you have already solved it, but you would like to confirm if your answer is correct or not. So in that case, you can easily use your Casio's FX 570 or 991EX. What you need to do in this case, you just go on menu and you have to come down and you have to look for equation function, which is xy is equal to 0. Press enter. I will repeat. You have to first press the menu button, then you have to use your down arrow keys. Here you will toggle to xy is equal to 0. It is called equation slash function. Press enter. Are you going to solve simultaneous equation or are we going to solve polynomial? We are going to solve polynomial because quadratic equations are polynomial equations. So we'll press 2 and the degree. What is the highest power of this polynomial? Here, since we are dealing with quadratics, so my degree is going to be 2. Now we have been given with a equation which is ax square plus bx plus c. So we need to write the coefficient of all x square x and the constant term. Here in the first equation x square minus 1 is equal to 0. The coefficient of x square is 1, so I will press 1 and I will press enter. There is no term containing x, so hence the coefficient of x is 0. Then I will move to the constant term. Over here my constant term is negative 16. So I will press enter and I will get my solution. So my first solution is plus 4 and my second solution is minus 4. So here I got x1 is equal to minus 4 or x2, or you can say x is equal to, since we are using the word or, so x is equal to plus 4. Let's do the second equation. So it will give you all the minimum maximum values as well. Now the second equation, the coefficient of x square is 1, so which is fine. Coefficient of x is 1. Here we are having a term containing x, so I will press 1 and my constant term is negative 20, so I will press 20. I will enter that and I will get my solution. So my first solution that came out to be, it's called x is equal to 4, or I'll press enter. My second solution is x is equal to negative 5. So if I will plug in back these values, I should be getting 0 in my quadratic. Alright, let's do the third equation where we have got the coefficient of x square as 2. So let's put 2. Then I will press this equal to button, that's equivalent to enter. Then you will press 7 because the coefficient, the number multiplied with x, that is called coefficient, is 7. So I will press 7. And then the constant term, which is negative 3. So I will press negative 3 and I will press enter. That's my first solution. Here I have got a solution which contains surd. If you'd like to get a decimal answer for it, so you can write your answer as x is equal to negative 7 plus root under 73 over 4, or x is equal to negative 7 negative root 73 over 4. You will always find whenever you are having a surd, you will get answers which are in pair. So you will have plus 73 and negative 73. You can also get a decimal answer. In order to do so, you just have to press the shift and press enter. This is my decimal answer, which is negative 1.75. Here shift enter, excuse me, I think my x2 came out to be negative 3.88, and we can find this value. All we need to do is that press menu, go up, press 1 for calculate, and here I will plug in my value, which is, first I need to enter a fraction, so I will put fraction -7 plus square root of 73 divided by 4. I will press enter. This is what you are getting. All you need to do is that press the shift button and press this equal to button. You will get the decimal equivalent, so which is x is equal to 0.386. I'm just using 3 decimal places. Let's see the answer for the previous one, the one that we have got before, if it is correct or not. So we will press negative. So my answer is -7 negative root 73, and we want everything to be divided. One of the common mistake that I observe, that whenever the students are not using the fraction option, they write divided by 4, but they don't realize that they are just dividing the -73, not the entire fraction. So you can always use the rule of BIDMAS, put the bracket, divided by 4, get your answer. We got -7, shift and enter is my savior, which is -3.887, -3.887. That's going to be my answer. So this is how you can use your Casio GDC to find the solution of quadratic equation. One way that I have seen a student struggle using their calculator is, when you have a equation, let's say like this, 4x square plus 12x minus let's say 6, and instead of writing -6 I have got equal to 6. So the first step that you should be doing is that you bring 4x square plus 12x and this bring this 6 to the left hand side and make it -6 is equal to 0, and hence you will be able to use your calculator for finding the solution of this quadratic equation. And how you can do that? Press on the menu button, go for equation and function. We are using polynomial solver. The degree is 2 since we are having quadratic. So press 2, put the coefficient. So coefficient of x square is 4, coefficient of x is 12, and the constant term is -6. Press enter. That's my first answer, which is x is equal to -3 plus root under 15 over 2. And my second answer gonna be -3 -15 over 2, or x is equal to, these are my two answers. Okay, one must be wondering how we can get the decimal answers here only. So you can get it. All you need to do is that press shift and then press enter. It will give you the decimal answer. So my x is equal to 0.436, and we want our second answer as well in decimal, not in the surds. We will have my second answer as or x is equal to -3.436. You need not to actually go back to your run matrix in order to find the decimal answer. You can even find it directly here. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.